Mm-hmm. You gotta get some bait, bro. Put some peanut butter on that. That's for the chipmunks. That's all you need. That's all you need. That's all you need. That's all you need. Make a little bird seat on there? Yep. Also got the camera. Gonna be getting some diesel footage.
Some game footage.
Some game footage of the trying to catch stuff. What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be doing different change of pace on the videos. No fishing, but I have these 2 traps and we're gonna put some bait in them, try to catch something, and we're gonna try to hopefully get on camera whatever we catch. So let's get it. So we're gonna be cutting holes in this and filling everything in there, putting everything in, and then we can wrap wire around this, and it'll peanut butter. Just get a little smear.
Wait. No, I got you. I'm gonna smear it on
What?
my hand.
You putting the meat in the?
Yeah, bro.
Got the meat. Damn, that's nasty.
That is nasty.
Some carrot for the bunnies. There's a rabbit.
Let's just try to catch the bunny and something big.
Throw some pieces of carrot in there. Give the rest to Rocky. Oh. Wait. There's one more secret ingredient.
Apple? What like marshmallow?
Possums.
Really?
Yup. They like mini ones, but possums like, yeah, marshmallows. So throw like 2 of those in there. I don't know why, but they do.
Where'd you hear
yeah,
that,
rip
bro?
them up. Dude, that's just Bassing with Beetle facts. Only some though. Got the buffet. Now that we got the stuff, send it up. So set this up first. Load that. Grab the camera. We could have the camera there. Yep, but first let's okay, so gotta go like this. Should we open both sides or just one? I say we open both. Wait. Go. Perfect. Now, she sit. Oh, this. Put it in this side. As soon as they press on this lever, right here, ka-chow. They're stuck. All right, we gotta set this one more time. But tie that on. Move it lower. Put it right here.
Bro. Let me get it.
All right. Put this on video. And look. Put it on video. Ready? Oh, we gotta set this one more time. Pull that up. Right there. Alright, it's ready. So we'll come back tomorrow, see if we catch anything. And now we gotta set the small chipmunk trap. See if we can catch any chipmunks. This next. I'll put it right up here. I always see chipmunks coming here, so hopefully we'll catch something right here. Cameraman. Alright. Hold this. Catch. Catch. So this trap. Set it like this.
It's basically just a mini version of the bigger one.
Yep. And you.
Nice and warm.
Yeah, that's
Melty. Trippy.
alright.
Look, smells the peanut butter. Bro, put that up far so Rocky's not getting it.
Yep, and just slide this peanut butter in there. Same thing with the lever.
I don't know, bro. I'd put one side down. It's not on the middle.
Trust, because they'll probably walk through it. And put this up, come up here. We're gonna put this right here.
Yeah.
And they'll come through, they'll walk through. Trust the process. Hopefully we'll catch a little chipmunk.
Critter cam.
Just in wait. But the other trap, I've caught many things on it before, the bigger trap. The fisher cat and a possum before. Let's run that clip. Let's run the possum clip. Run it. Alright. Got some more meat for it. Down there. And I also brought string. I'm gonna tie the water bottle down so that, I don't know, so that they can't just grab it from one side and walk through. And I'm also gonna close one side so they can only go over that pressure plate. So, let's get it. Alright, it's set. I closed that side and I also tied it up a little bit so that not as many bugs would get to it too, like ants and stuff, because that's annoying. But they're gonna walk along here, they're gonna have to grab it or something. They're gonna forget about this, push the force down. Boom. Camera's set up, ready to go. Let's get it. In the trap. Oh, we got one. We got a chipmunk, boys. We got one.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
We got him.
Rocky,
The chippy.
it kind of smells.
Should we release him?
Or that's a skunk, bro.
Oh! He's off.
Oh, I see him. He's right there. He's looking back.
We'll set it back up, try to start another,
Dad,
catch another one.
There's a skunk around here.
Set it back up, try to catch another. Right, Rocky?
Yeah, it's definitely a skunk around.
And it gets worse at night.
Remember,
Set, ready to go.
well, did you let it go already?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Jack, try to get the baby bunny.
Baby bunny won't. The next morning, thing is literally stripped clean and it's untied somehow, but nothing in there. So, gonna check the camera. See. Checking the trap again. Think we may have something. Oh, this squirrel's just chill. Oh, yep. Chipmunk. Oh my. Another chipmunk. Oh my gosh. Alright. Gonna release it, so. There it is. Doesn't want to go. Come on, bro. Keeps going the opposite side. Here. There it goes. Alright. Gonna set it back up. Right here's been working the best, so set it back up, try to catch another thing. Alright.